Hello everyone. This is topic infection control. This is a topic infection control. Control of infection. Procedure to use alcohol based hand rub. Procedure to use alcohol based hand rub. Apply the amount of the alcohol based. Apply the amount of alcohol based hand rub recombinant to the manufacturers into and to dry hand. Rub hand together so that the solution comes in this it's the contact with all surface of the hand, paying particular attention to the things, the figure, the thumbs and the areas between the fingers. Continuous rubbing until the solution has imported and the hand are dry. Continue rubbing until the solution has evaporated and the hand are dry. V. Personal protective equipment. PPE. Personal protective equipment. PPE refers to the variety of the barriers used alone or in communication to protect mucous membranes, skin, airway and the clothing from contact with the infection agents. The use of the PPE. PPE use in not touch infection, control infection, reduce appropriate for the transmission of infection and reduced the infection antigens. PPE also protect patient from the exposure to the infection agent in the surrounding environment carried by the healthcare workers. PPE includes gloves, protective edge wear, goggle, mask, gown, apron, shoes, cap, hair cover. Principle of the using PPE. Principle of the using personal protective equipment. PPE should be choose according to a risk of the exposure. The healthcare workers should assess whether they are at risk of the exposure to body fluids, blood exertion and the secretion, and the choose their items of the PPE according to the risk. Second point, avoid any contact between contaminated. Avoid any contact between contaminated PPE and the surface clothing or people. Discard the used PPE in the appropriate disposable bag and the disposable of as the per the place of the hospital. PPE kit use of the control infection. Pack the bag in reduce hospital place. Do not share PPE. Change the PPE completely and thoroughly. Wash hand each time you leave a patient to attend another patient or another duty. Change the PE complete patient and the complete another duty. Gloves. Gloves come protect both patient and the health care workers from the exposed to the infection agents that may be the carried on hands. This gloves one patient use of the second patient not use gloves in change of the next patient treatment gloves. Point wear gloves when teaching blood body fluid etc. This is the most important PPE kit in control infection. Thank you guys.